Hi students, let us do an activity to understand polynomials. Okay, now tell me what do you see in the picture now? Yes, it is a square. We can consider the side of the square to be x. Okay, the side of the square is x. So all the sides are equal in a square. So what will be the area of this square? So this is x square. Area of the square is x square. Now I take one rectangle. Okay students. So see the rectangle. Now this rectangle, this is of the shape rectangle. Now the length of the rectangle is same to the side of the square. So if the side of the square is x, now the length of the rectangle is x. Okay, the breadth is different. Let us take this as 1 unit. Okay students, I take this as 1 unit. So area of rectangle is L into B. So L into B, x into 1 is x. So I consider this tile as x tile and the first tile as x square tile. So the big square tile is x square tile and the rectangle tile is x tile. Okay students, remember this. Now I will introduce one more tile which is a small square shaped tile. If you see, the side of this square is same to the breadth of the rectangle. The breadth of the rectangle we noticed it as 1. So now the side of the square is 1. Okay, the side of the square is 1. Now if the side is having 1 as, if the square is having side as 1, then the area of this small square is also equal to 1. So we consider this as unit square, 1 square. Okay, 1 square means unit square. The area of this tile is unit square. So we have unit tile, that is number 1, and this is x tile and this is x square tile. So collectively we can write this as x square. If we add all this, we will get x square plus x plus 1. Okay students, so we form the expression now as x square plus x plus 1. So if I give you one big square and 3 x tiles and 4 unit tiles. You see, I am giving you 4 unit tiles. Okay, 4 unit tiles and 3 rectangle tiles and 1 square tile. Now, can you frame the expression, students? Yes, you are right. So the expression is x square plus we have 3x. So 3x and how many units? Unit squares is 4. So the expression is x square plus 3x plus 4. Okay. Now I am going to give you 4 set of tails and you are going to find the expression now. Okay students. Now I'll give you 2 rectangles, this 2 x tile and 1 unit tile. Now what is your expression for this? Yes, this is 2x plus 1. Okay. Now this is the first question for you. Now second question. So what is the, leave this. Okay. Now what is the expression? What is the polynomial for this? So we don't have x square, we don't have unit tails, so we have only x tails, that is this is 3x. Okay, here we had two terms, so we call it as binomials. Bi means 2. Okay, here we have only 3x, that is single term, we call this as monomial. Okay students, now the third type I'll give you 2 square tiles. I'll give you, leave all this. Now the third question, I'll give you 2 big squares. If it is not visible, you can take like this, 2 big squares, and then 3 unit squares. Now what will be the expression for this? So 2x square plus 3. 2x square plus 3. So this is also a binomial. Bi means 2. Okay students. Now again we have 2x square and 2x and 2 unit squares. Now this is the fourth problem. So for this, can you write the expression students? Yes. So this is 2x square plus 2x plus 2. Now we have 3 terms. Okay students. So we have 1, 2, 3 terms. We call this as trinomials. Tri means 3. Mono means 1. Okay. Bi means 2. Okay. Now you should think of if we have more than 3 terms. Okay. So we may have 4 terms, we may have 5 terms, we may have 6 terms, etc. Okay. In that case, we collectively call it as polynomials. We collectively call it as polynomials. Why this name polynomials came? So this is because poly means many. Poly means many. So we call this as polynomials. Okay students, thank you.